Alright, so in order to get started with this division of rational expressions, we will start factoring all the elements that we can factor here. Starting with 3x squared plus 6, I can factor out a 3x. 3x squared divided by 3x is just x, and 6x divided by 3x is just 2. All over x squared plus x minus 2, I can factor that trinomial. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add up to 1. So those numbers will be 2 and negative 1. I can put an x here, another x there. And now we are dividing by this rational, so immediately I will actually multiply by the reciprocal. So whatever was on the bottom here, I'll place on the top. And what was on the top here, I'll put on the bottom. That looks a little bit messy, but that's okay. Actually, let me fix it. That's slightly better. So here at the top I can actually factor this trinomial. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 3 and add up to positive 2. Those numbers will be plus 3 or positive 3 and negative 1. And down at the bottom, we're going to have this guy that was up top here. But of course we flip the fraction to multiply it instead of divide. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 15 and add up to 8. And those numbers will be 5 and 3. Great. Now we can combine everything and start simplifying. So now just put everything together. I'll multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we have 3x, x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 1 all over. Wow, that was not straight at all. 1 second. That's better. And down at the bottom we have x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 5 times x plus 3. Okay. Now we can cancel more things out. So x plus 2 and x plus 2, those go away. X minus 1 cancels out with x minus 1. And x plus 3 cancels out with x plus 3. And we end up with 3x. Well, that became really Christmassy. The red and the green. So 3x here in the numerator. And down at the bottom we canceled everything out except for the x plus 5. So that is our final answer. 3x over x plus 5. And we're done.